Educational rewrite, leveraging 15 USC 1692 grams for effective debt validation. Introduction to 15 USC 1692 grams. 15 USC 1692 grams, part of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDPA, is a federal law designed to empower consumers by ensuring fair debt collection practices. This provision focuses on the validation of debts and serves as a powerful tool to challenge erroneous or unverifiable entries on credit reports. In this guide, we'll break down the key elements of the law, its application, and how you can use it to dispute and potentially remove inaccurate debts from your credit report. Understanding the purpose of debt validation. Debt validation is the process of requesting a creditor or debt collector to provide proof that a debt belongs to you. Under 15 USC 1692 grams, debt collectors are required to provide specific information about the debt within a stipulated time frame. This includes the amount of the debt, the name of the creditor to whom the debt is owed, a statement informing you that you have 30 days to dispute the debt's validity. Failure to respond within the 30-day period allows debt collectors to assume the debt is valid. However, by initiating a validation request promptly, you can prevent this assumption and demand evidence of the debt's legitimacy. The 30-day window for dispute. The initial collection notice you receive typically includes a statement about your rights under the FCRA. This 30-day window is crucial for disputing the debt. By writing a validation of debt letter, you compel the debt collector to either verify the debt with proper documentation or cease collection efforts. Key tip: send your validation letter immediately upon receiving the collection notice to ensure the debt is not assumed valid by default. Verification requirements for debt collectors. Debt collectors must provide proper verification when a debt is disputed. Acceptable forms of verification include a signed agreement or document indicating your acknowledgement of the debt, detailed records of transactions proving the debt's origin. Verification does not include generic statements, internal records, or fabricated documents that fail to establish the debt's legitimacy. If collectors cannot produce sufficient evidence, they must cease collection efforts. What happens after a dispute? Upon receiving your dispute, the debt collector must cease all collection activities until the debt is verified. Provide a copy of the verification or a judgment related to the debt, if applicable. Supply the name and address of the original creditor if it differs from the current creditor. Failure to comply with these requirements may constitute a violation of federal law, which you can report to the appropriate regulatory authorities. Consumer protections in legal proceedings. Even if you fail to dispute a debt within the 30-day window, federal law explicitly states that your silence cannot be interpreted as an admission of liability. Courts are required to recognize this protection, ensuring that debt collectors cannot falsely claim acknowledgement of the debt. Drafting an effective validation of debt letter. A validation of debt letter should include the following: your name and address, reference to the debt and the notice you received, a clear request for validation under 15 USC 1692 grams, a statement requesting removal of the debt if it cannot be validated. Keep your letter concise and professional. It does not need to include legal jargon but must clearly invoke your rights under the FCRA. Empowering yourself with knowledge. Understanding 15 USC 1692 grams equips you with the tools to manage and dispute debts effectively. By asserting your rights and demanding transparency, you can protect your credit and financial stability. To explore this law further, visit credible legal resources like Law, Cornell, Edu, or consult with legal professionals who specialize in consumer protection. Conclusion: 15 USC 1692 grams is a powerful consumer protection law that places the burden of proof on debt collectors. By using this statute effectively, you can dispute and remove unverifiable debts, safeguard your credit score, and take control of your financial future.